Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Helms of Indy Podiatry in Central Indiana. I've been a podiatrist for a long time, but I've been a runner for even more years than that. One of the questions that I'm frequently asked in my office is, how long should I keep my running shoes before they're worn out and I should replace them? A good rule of thumb is to replace your shoes every 300 to 400 miles. It really doesn't matter what shape the shoe is in terms of how it looks, because the real wear on a shoe is deep inside in the midsole, and you can't see that. But we do know with repeated use that midsole wears out and it no longer offers the support and the stability and the cushioning that it was designed to do. If you're running in worn out shoes, you're much more likely to get overuse injuries like plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, or stress fractures. So when you buy a new pair of shoes, write down on your calendar, in your smartphone or someplace, the date that you bought those shoes. Then estimate how many miles per week you run so you can figure out when you've had the shoes for 300, 350 miles, and then go get another pair. I'm also often asked by people who work in their running shoes instead of running in them. And often people do that because the running shoe offers such great support. For example, how often should a nurse change shoes out? Someone who's on their feet all day like a nurse probably should get a new pair of shoes every 4 months to 6 months. Again, same thing, write it down when you got them so you can be reminded when it's time to get a new shoe and hopefully avoid an overuse running or work injury.